I've got a new batch of the Maxitrak Baldwin 5-inch gauge locomotive, garden railway locomotive. We've got a few changes this year. Some of the nice little detail parts have changed. Got a few updates. So I thought I'd do a quick debox, get one out, show you guys what's going on. Come in these pretty hefty crates, brilliant for shipping. Not so great when you've got to carry them about. We actually supply these models in two colours. We've got the more European style maroon and black, but there's this Australian livery yellow, which is probably the more stunning of the two. Let's have a look. Just to give you an idea of what we get. Spin it around so you can see the front. There's a few modifications on this 2024 version. First of which is a colour change. You'll probably see that straight away. There we go. We always had a slight hankering for a more sandy yellow. It's a lot more like the full size. You can see pretty quickly there's a few different changes, minor changes. So we've got the 4-vent bonnet instead of the older 3-style vent bonnet that we had before. We've got some detail changes on the body too. So we've got the flashing orange lights. You've got black inside your exhaust system, black inside your horns, and all of the little footsteps are already pre-blacked and whited. If we look inside the body, we've got an additional return on the bottom to strengthen this body up, give it a bit of strength. These bodies are all in stainless steel. We've also got all these little holes to help you if you want to accessorise the model yourself. We've got holes here for putting your smoke system in. So yeah, looks really nice. I'm well pleased with that. Yeah, I think that looks great. What a nice colour. So you can have the option of having a green stripe down it or a red stripe down it. We have done silver, we've also done white. This time round we've gone for slightly different plate shapes as well. Still got this small little Baldwin plate on the front, We've also added in the larger ones on the sides of the cabs. So you can put some nice nameplates on, numbering sequences on here, stripes, any additional things to kind of make them your own. I think that looks brilliant. I've asked Adam to put a stripe on one across the road, so I'll nip over there and you can have a quick look at that as well. So this one, we've put the green stripe on it already. Popped some batteries in it just so you can see the lights working. So you've got little flashing ones on the top, the rear headlamps, and also these front ones. I mean, bearing in mind this is in the middle of the day, you can see how bright they are. Yeah.